What is up, guys? Welcome back to another quick little tutorial in Microsoft Paint. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a perfect circle. Now, I know this might be a bit difficult, especially if you're on paper, but since we now live in the digital age, we have a lot of tools available to us for making tasks like drawing a perfect circle more easy. But you're going to want to follow these steps carefully because it's not as straightforward as just drawing a circle. As you can see, if I just do this freehand, um, circles can quite easily turn into ellipses. Now, in order to draw a perfect circle, what you're going to want to do is hold down the left shift button. I'm doing that with my pinky. And now left click down, alright, and that's going to engage your mouse or cursor and just start dragging around, and you can see that a perfect circle, is going to start forming. If you let go of the shift key, you can see that it snaps out of place, but as long as you have your finger maintained on the shift key, you'll find that the circle is a perfect circle in all the right dimensions. Look at that. Well, that's the tutorial for today. I hope you've enjoyed this little lesson on how to draw a perfect circle using Microsoft Paint. In the next episode, we're going to be learning how to draw a perfect square, so be sure to stay tuned for that. In the meanwhile, thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you all in the next episode.